A bus stop in Mysore was in news because it looked like a mosque to a BJP leader, for which the BJP MP had even given a warning to demolish it. Now, a video and photos of the mosque painted in bright red have been surfacing, in which its new look can be seen. However, two small domes which were present earlier are now missing. BJP MP from Karnataka, Pratap Simha, had created controversy by saying that he has asked engineers to demolish a mosque-like structure that was built by one of his party's MLAs. He said, "I have seen it on social media. The bus stand has three domes, a big one in the middle and two smaller ones next to it, which is a mosque." He also claimed that such dome-like structures were being built in most parts of Mysore. Earlier, the NHAI had issued notices to the Mysore City Corporation and the Karnataka Rural Infrastructure Development Limited to remove the bus shelter stop, keeping in mind Simha's tweet.